Today I want to show you a game changer for fixing into dot and dab walls, the Fischer DDF. With this one fixing, you can hold 90 kilogram cantilever loads in breeze block, aircrete, concrete, brick and hollow block with no extra parts needed. No fiddly install steps and absolute confidence that there will be no damage or deviation to the plasterboard when loading up your bracket. This ain't going nowhere and your boards won't move an inch. Similar to the Duoline range, the DDF is designed with two-part component technology. The super strong expansion zone that will work in nearly all base materials: concrete, brick, breeze blocks and even hollow block, and the glass fibre reinforced shaft to bridge the gap in between your plasterboard sheet and your wall. The shaft also stops any movement at all from the plasterboard. So first, the nylon part expands into the solid material, giving you ultimate hold in your substrate with huge loads up to 167 kilograms in concrete in a standard application. However, as we're talking dot and dab, this is reduced to 90 kilograms per fixing. When installing into offset walls, this means if you have any sort of distance and void away from the brick, this creates a cantilever effect, so you need to adjust the loads that any fixing can achieve. Always check the manufacturer's details on this, as often this is not made clear or loads are given only for use in concrete. And we know not many people have concrete block being used for building in their house. The worst case scenario for this would be a 45mm offset and using breeze blocks or aerated concrete, and these fixings will still hold 40 kilograms each. The red glass fibre reinforced section is super stiff to bridge the void gap and allows for a maximum 45mm offset from the wall. Normally though, your void should be around 10mm. This part of the fixing stops the plasterboard being pressured by the bracket and the item you're hanging, which is the biggest problem with this kind of application. During the install, these small wings expand out of the plug, sitting behind the plasterboard sheet, keeping a strong hold for the fixing and further helping stop any plasterboard movements. In today's case, we will be hanging a cast iron rad that is 50 kilograms dry and will be 100 kilograms when filled. I'm using 8 fixings, which gives a total hold of 720 kilograms, and this hefty rad won't move the plasterboard at all. If we were talking TVs, a 75-inch TV weighs approximately 35 kilograms with a 10 kilogram bracket. So 4 of the DDF fixings would easily hold a TV twice the size of this. To install the DDF, all you need is a 10mm drill hole, a minimum drill depth of 55mm into the block. Push the fixing fully through the plasterboard, place the bracket over and insert the hex head safety screw. Tighten with a hex head socket or a TX30 bit, and you're done. The Fischer DDF. Really quick and really simple. No extra parts needed, no special tools, no fiddly expansion steps, just super high loads that you can rely on and absolute zero plasterboard movement. Game changed.